General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the Saturday work. Then I gotta watch the new ICT video. Saturday the 21st. Which models hit and which models missed. Let's look at it like this. Options expiry week. One side a choppy day from Monday. Let's see, Tuesday. Tuesday was perfect. It's like took New York AM low. It's London low of the day. Then I should be able to see this. London high today. Classic buy day. Classic sell day. You could say this is a OTE continuation. Let me do this. OTE. And the low is here. So, optimal trade entries there. Tuesday, classic buy day. Wednesday, classic sell day. Friday, OTE. Sell day profiles. OTE still showing up for work. Patience, discipline, confidence. I think I'm getting used to being Yeah, bored. Not like nothing to do bored, but I think I'm getting used to being bored by sticking to the model in the process. To a model in the process. When you rushing, you're not bored. Everything's exciting, but you're going too fast. You still don't know what you're doing. Case study law. There's nothing here. More case study. Besides, besides Donald Trump and stuff. Crazy. We had the rate hike, and it didn't do anything but RTO. This is consolidation before news. Experience earned this week. Percent day. Next week improvement focus. Um, get ready to up the risk for Q2. Let's get these power 3 charts. H1 power 3. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of weird. This is a weird range. We started off with a retracement. You see how OTE just keeps coming back and back and back. You can probably form fit it too with the wicks and all that good stuff. And here was the main draw I was looking for. And this is what it ended up taking on Friday. Mm-hmm. Nice. It's Wednesday midweek reversal. Note how we retraced. Traced to OTE, which was paired with a new day opening gap from Thursday. go to SPX 500. Here we go. Just got that level here. And we got this level here. Let me see what is this? I see T been talking a lot about this did work. Which inverse to pick? He's cooking too. I know all the inverse FEG gurus and teachers are mad because I don't think y'all had y'all didn't have the rules right. Similar delivery. The retracement to previous week's range. Was not as deep. Okay. Let's see what the spot did. Guess I can do it from here. Take these drawings off. See if I still got that one box. I guess that'll work. It does look pretty clean too. It's a good way to see the weekly delivery. It's kind of clean. I kind of like it. I think I'll stick with it. I prefer to see the 30-minute order blocks though. But you can see here, if I take this was only like a 50% retracement without the other sessions. So here we got Tuesday. We don't got Wednesday midweek reversal. Tracement here and continuation there. And a quarterly low is right here. So for reference, somebody hit the curb. Kept dropping. See how we came back to this gap here? The gap was huge on this one. Main difference. That's it. That's the main difference. Not really no notes or thoughts. We don't do too much on Saturday. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.